What is up? Today I'm gonna make beef jerky. So one of the things that I love about making beef jerky in the Ninja Foodi is that it produces so little heat that it doesn't actually warm up the house or the kitchen, and I can kind of leave it by itself over in the corner without worrying about it overheating, catching fire, and all those other things that other dehydrators do, or trying to make it in the oven. It doesn't use a lot of electricity. I make a lot of beef jerky, and I never really noticed the power bill going up just because of the amount of beef jerky that I make. I actually use my Foodi all the time, and I don't really notice a big difference in the power bill. The only time I notice a difference in the power bill is between summer and winter. During the summertime, it jumps because I have a small AC unit, and I probably should get a bigger one. For the marinade, I got this stuff. Normally I use Lowry's 30-minute marinade, but they didn't have it in the smokehouse flavor that I like, or steakhouse flavor that I like, so I'm gonna try this KC Masterpiece to see what it tastes like. For the meat, chuck. Chuck roast is the best thing. A buddy of mine, he's taught me many tricks in life. One of them has been the freedom steak. Using a chuck roast basically is the ultimate cut of meat. I use it for steak, I use it for beef jerky, I use it for pot roasts. I like my steak super rare. I like my steak blue, actually. The chuck roast is perfect for that because it's basically like that thick. Time to get this thing started. So what you just saw was me cutting the meat into a little bit thicker than a 1/4 inch, maybe about a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch to, you know, a little thicker than a 1/4 inch slivers. One of the things that I like about the Lowry 30-minute marinade is it tells you how much marinade to use per pound. The KC Masterpiece didn't say that, so I just put the whole bottle in. I'm not gonna use it for anything else. So, and that chunk of meat was about 3.5 pounds. It's probably about right. I marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Today I'm probably gonna marinate it for about 2 hours, only because I like to set it up closer to my bedtime, so that way it's fresher when I wake up in the morning. It's a personal preference how you like your beef jerky. The thickness that I cut mine for the 7 hours of dehydrating time, it doesn't completely dry it out. It's still a little juicy. You can cut it thinner for the 7 hours. It'll be dry. The thinner you cut it, the drier it'll be. The thicker you cut it, you might have to dehydrate it longer, or it'll be juicy. Meat is done marinating. Now I'm gonna put all those meat chunks on the Ninja Foodi dehydrator rack. That was the messiest part of making beef jerky, but one of the most necessary. Got it all set up, and in 7 hours, I will have fresh beef jerky. It'll be around 4 a.m., so I'll have fresh beef jerky probably around 6 or 7 when I wake up. Oh, it's 6:30, and the jerky is done. I walked out of the bedroom, and it smelled so good in the house. I can definitely smell the marinade, and another reason why I like to do the jerky at night is because it gives me something to wake up to in the morning. Oh, look at that. Of course, I have to test the product. Let's do this guy right here. That is good. Well, wow. Okay, that KC Masterpiece marinade, way better than Lowry's. It's thicker, the flavor was way more powerful. Okay, well, that explains why it's $1 more a bottle, but it was really, really good. If you like the video, click like. If you'd like to see more videos whenever I make them, hit the little subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified when I post a video, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. It's over here somewhere. Hope you all have a safe, wonderful, and blessed day. I'm out.